Let's learn the letter Q. All the way round, up and down with a tail. Q is for quail. Q. The queen slept with her quilt, and her little quail sang a song. When she woke up, she was happy with her bird.
Queen and a quail seems to be chill. Quill in hands, dreams fulfill. Quilt. K, 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 k. Quilt. K, 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 k. Quilt. Queen. K, 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 k. Queen. K, 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 k. Queen. Quail. K, 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 k. Quail. K, 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 k. Quail. Quill. K, 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 k. Quill. K, 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 k. Quill. Q-tips. K, 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 k. Q-tips. K, 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 k. Q.